Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we are going to see about the process distantly supervised lifelong learning for large scale social media sentiment analysis. Then comes the abstract of our process. So the social media plays an important role in people's life. So the microblogging is a form of social media which allows people to share and disseminate real life events. Broadcasting events in microblogging networks can be an effective method of creating awareness, divulging important information, and so on. However, many existing approaches are dissecting the information content primarily discuss the event detection model and ignore the user interest, which can be discovered during event evaluation. This leads to difficulty in tracking the most important events as they involve, including identifying the initial spreaders. There is the further compilations given that the initial spreaders interest will also change during event evaluation. The intentional spreaders play a key role in event evaluation, and this has been largely ignored in traditional event detection method. To this end, we propose a user interest model based event evaluation model named the event evaluation model. So this model not only considers the user interest distribution but also uses the short text data in the social network to model the post and the recommend methods to discover the user interest. This can resolve the problem of data sparsity as examined by many existing event detection methods and improve the accuracy of event detection. Event detection automatic filtering algorithm is initially applied to remove the intents of general events, improving the quality and efficiency of running the event. Then an automatic topic clustering algorithm is applied to arrange the short text into clusters with similar topics. An improved user interest model is proposed to combine the short text of each cluster into a long text document, simplifying the determination of the overall topic in relation to the interest distribution of each user during the evaluation of important events. Finally, a novel cosine measure-based event similarity detection method is used to access correlation between events, thereby detecting the process of event evaluation. The experiment results on a real Twitter dataset demonstrate the efficiency and the accuracy for our proposed model for both event detection and user interest discovery during the evaluation of events. Then comes the flow diagram of our process. So the flow diagram diagrammatically shows our process in detail. So first, in our process user interest discovery and the event detection, we are using the Twitter dataset for our process. So here first we are loading the dataset as a document dataset. So document is nothing but reviews about some specific event will be gathered and stored in each document, and that will be loaded for the process. So using that document data set, we will further proceed the process. So first we have to load that document data set from into the database, and we have to remove the stop words and the extra special characters in that. So for the easy and further process, so we have to remove stop words and we have to extract the main keyword. So that is nothing but the event detection. So it automatically retrieves the events name, and also then by using the extracted keywords, that is the event, we have to calculate the distance. So in calculating distance, the distance of the each word in the document will be calculated, and also finally the that is the hot events will be deducted finally from the document which we loaded. And from that event detection, then next we have to load the user stream, that is nothing but the tweets between the users, between multiple users. So that data sets was collected from the Twitter API, and we have to load that user data. That is that dataset will contains the user IDs, that is the two user IDs, tweet ID, and also the description and the created time. So these data should be stored and for the purpose process. So the detected event should be called from that document dataset, and from the detected event we have to find the user interest based on the user stream which we loaded finally. So from this we can easily find out the hot events and also the user interest from the social media data streams. Then comes the running procedure of our process, distantly supervised lifelong learning for large scale social media sentiment analysis. So first we have to run home.java. So this is our home page for our browser, so we have to click here. So here this is the page to load our dataset. So these are all the dataset, that is here we are using the document dataset for our process. So then now we have to remove the stopwords. So the stopword removal process is going on. So the stemming process was completed. So then we have to extract the main keywords. So these are all the extracted words, and here we are going to find out the term frequency. So that is the weight of the terms. So here finalizing the distance of the each word, overall weight, so that the event evaluation. Here we have to load the second dataset. So this is the dataset which is in the CSV format. So this dataset should be processed and loaded into the database. So here based on the events, the dataset set sentiment of the users were evaluated finally. So this is the minimum distance finally which we found. So on the graphical result, so this is the graphical result for our process. So that's all about our process. Thank you.